If pasta makes you emotional, if life feels like a scene from an Italian movie, you, my friend, might have Italian brain rot. Let's turn iconic characters into Italian core memes and later guess the vibe from just sounds and emojis. Ready? We've got Pipi Yuzu, and yes, somehow Iron Man became Pipi Yuzu. Don't ask how, it just happened. Hulk, he's now Ananasopotam. Don't make him angry, he might start quoting poetry in Sicilian.
Wow, è l'Ananasopotam. Ananasopotam.
She steals hearts, not jewels. This is Slimo Li Appluni. Velvet, espresso, and vibes.
Slimo Li Appluni. Slurp, slurp.
Frontman? Nah, he's Paranoni Diranoni now, running secret pasta contests in the hills.
Peruni diaruni. Tababim tababum chirky 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 deep.
Wonder Woman? Meet Talpa di Ferro, strong, silent, and digs deep like an iron mole.
Oh, oddio. Mio, talpa di ferro.
Ben Grimm? Nah, he's Abanono Scimpazzino, the chillest ape in the Italian jungle.
Abonono scimpazzino, no. È uno scimpanzé verde e neutro con una
Captain America? Nah, he's Rhino Toasterino, charging breakfast tables like a rhino on espresso.
Rino, Rino Tosterrino. Wow, pam pam, el torterelli.
Darth Vader? Nope. Now he's Orcalero Orcala, the Dark Lord of Venetian canals.
Tralalero, tralala. No, no, no. Orcalero, orcala.
Harley Quinn? Nope. She's Lionessy Mayonessy, the queen of chaos and spicy mayo vibes.
Waya! Lionessy Mayonessy!
All right, now it's game time. You've seen the Italian brain rot memes. Now can you guess them just by sounds and emojis? Listen closely, watch the clues, and drop your guesses below.
Dugongo volante. Una creatura surreale, irreale.
Dugongo volante.
Dugongo volante. Una creatura surreale, irreale.
People in Italy eat pasta every day. True or false? Nope, not every day. Some skip it just to double down the next day. If that made you laugh, you have to like the video. It's Italian law. Listen closely to the sound and check out the emoji clues. Can you guess which Italian brain rot meme this is?
Bambù di maiale. È una specie molto rara. Vive nell'Asia meridionale.
Bamboo di maiale.
Bambù di maiale. È una specie molto rara. Vive nell'Asia meridionale.
Nice job. Ready for the next one? Let's keep that brain rot going.
Don Lobstino Di Skibidi, il re dello slorp, nato a Bidettola.
Don Lobstino Di Skibidi.
Don Lobstino Di Skibidi, il re dello slorp, nato a Bidettola.
Okay, brain rot fam, time for a tough one. Would you rather hang out with Don Lobstino Di Skibidi or chill with Bamboo Di Maiale? Choose wisely, your Italian vibes depend on it. All right, let's see if you can handle this next challenge.
Cammello croissantino, solo cammello burrosito. Un deserto grande, un deserto molto...
Cammello croissantino.
Cammello croissantino, solo cammello burrosito. Un deserto grande, un deserto
Ready for another round? Let's see if your Italian brain rot senses are still sharp.
Lamantino, elicottero.
Lamantino helicoptero.
Lamantino, elicottero. L'elicottero.
All right, movie buffs. Which one of these movies isn't really Italian? The answer, Eat, Pray, Love. Not Italian made, but hey, it still made us want pasta. Here's your next meme challenge. Listen up and guess fast.
Formi, cazzo, pazzo, pazzo.
Formicazzo pazzo.
Formi, cazzo, pazzo, pazzo.
Your brain rot journey continues. Let's see if you're still in the game. On to the next one.
Ballerina cappuccina? No, no, no. Espressona Signora.
Espressona Signora.
Ballerina cappuccina? No, no, no. Espressona Signora.
Just when you thought it was over, another meme rises from the mozzarella
Lo
fog.
Zoccolone Sburrantes scendono dal cielo con un boom di coriandoli e luci psichedeliche.
Los Zoccolone Sburrantes.
Lo Zoccolone Sburrantes scendono dal cielo con un boom di coriandoli e luci psichedeliche.
Would you rather join Los Zoccolone Sburrantes or sip chaos with Espressona Signora? One will crush your town, the other your soul. Choose your Italian destiny now. So, if you picked Los Zoccolone Sburrantes, you better smash that bell or he'll stomp your Wi-Fi. But if you chose Espressona Signora, hit subscribe before she spills espresso on your soul. The sauce gets thicker. Can you guess this next Italian brain rot meme?
Capidisati trulilati. Non sono riuscito a trovare una descrizione.
Capidisati trulilati.
Capidisati trulilati. Non sono riuscito a trovare una descrizione.
True or false? In Italy, people eat pizza with ketchup? False. Say that in Naples and someone's nana might faint. Another cursed masterpiece awaits. Can your brain handle it?
Falcosqualus tiranna voluciraptor. È un mezzo pesce, mezzo uccello senza...
Falcosqualus tyrannovelociraptor.
Falcosqualus tiranna voluciraptor. È un mezzo pesce, mezzo uccello senza...
Listen carefully. The answer hides in the chaos. Guess the meme.
Cricetello religello, un criceto fottutamente religioso che...
Cricatello religello.
Cricetello religello, un criceto fottutamente religioso che...
And hey, if your brain survived this mess, hit that like button, smash the bell, and subscribe for more Italian chaos. Want to keep the madness going? Check out the previous episodes of Brain Rot. This is Quiz Reel, where your watch list meets your quiz night.